Hi, my name is Amy Misakonis, and I'm the owner of Pink Pineapple Photography here in Satellite Beach, Florida. I have 3 little boys. My oldest is 8, and then I have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old. Their names are Logan, Austin, and Aaron. I'm a single mom of those 3 little boys, and they are really what's inspired me to create Pink Pineapple Photography and bring as much joy to other families as their photos have brought to me. I have been doing photography for about 8 years now, but I started my business about 2 years ago. I specialize in newborn photography. I also do families and seniors. The studio that I have here is specifically for newborns and small children. At the moment, Pink Pineapple Photography is just a part-time business for me. I also work full-time at the Kennedy Space Center on the commercial crew program. When I was first building my business, I was trying to decide what the best fit business model was going to be, considering I am a single parent and I do work full-time as well. So doing a lot of photo shoots during the month is not an option for me. I just don't have the time to be able to shoot many families. I would love to do more, but it's just, everyone only has so much time in a day. So I came across Sarah Petty and her business model of being a boutique photographer. And that model has allowed me to have the flexibility of working and being the parent that I want to be while still having a successful photography business. I have been in this studio here in Satellite Beach since June of this year. I did start here in the middle of a global pandemic, so that has been definitely interesting and felt a little risky at first, but it's actually worked out really well since I share this space. My average sales, my clients typically spend anywhere between about $1,200 to $7,000 on their photos, not their photos, on their actual artwork. I actually don't even call myself a photographer most times. I tell people I'm a creator of joy because I want them to have this amazing experience and also have something that they're just going to feel like they're walking into an amusement park every time they walk into their home because they're so excited to see their beautiful family. This space is multifunctional for me. I have a newborn setup that I use. It's a stand with some bean bags, and I am able to do newborn posing on that, and then I can easily rearrange so that I can do bucket poses with the newborn, and I have drops on this side where I'm able to lower different backdrops and photograph families and seniors with that, and young children. So the space has really worked out wonderfully for me because I'm able to rearrange it to suit whatever type of shoot I'm doing. And then additionally, I can configure it so that I can have my consultations here. I can also do my in-person image selections and sales in the same space as well. So it's really multifaceted, and it's been a really great space for me to meet with my clients, do photo sessions, and have clients select their images here in their artwork as well. So before I had my studio, I was shooting a lot of outdoor sessions. I was doing most of my newborn sessions in home, which I still do now. It's one of the services that I offer, but I was strictly going to clients' homes and doing in-home newborn sessions. I also had a small home studio as well, but with 3 little boys running around all the time, that makes it a little bit difficult. So it was always a dream of mine to have my own studio space. And what I have learned from Sarah and practicing her lessons really has helped me do that within a year of working with her. For my newborn photography, I really like to find unique and interesting props, and I like to be full service for my clients, so they don't need to bring in anything except their baby and maybe some diapers and food. I provide all of the wraps that they would need, any headbands for girls, little caps for boys. I always like to keep my eye out for something new and different and interesting. For example, one of my new favorite pieces is actually a little tiny egg crate or eggshell cat bed that is the cutest thing ever for newborns. It's just adorable, and who would have thought that you could use something that someone designed for a pet for beautiful artwork of your little tiny baby. I offer what I feel are really unique and different types of products for my clients. Something that is my absolute favorite that I have hanging all over my home, as well as one of my clients' favorites, is metal art pieces, particularly float framed metal pieces. That is something that I just love, that you can't really find anywhere else, and my clients really love it. It's definitely their go-to every time. I also do unframed metals and acrylics, also a really big favorite just because of the vividness, and it looks like it's printed on glass, so it's a very unique piece. I also offer albums. This is my largest album here. I custom design these for my clients and include all of their favorite photos in the session. So I think it really, being a boutique photographer really clicked for me in the middle of my first program. Not only did the whole business model just make sense, but there really was so much more value in being boutique and offering these beautiful pieces to clients versus a couple of digital files that they may only see in a year on their Facebook memories. It's really truly about serving the client and being different and giving them something really beautiful, and that clicked with me about halfway through my boutique breakthrough. I think oftentimes, and I'm probably even guilty of it myself, is thinking that you need to have a studio to be successful, but it's not the studio that makes you successful or where it is, it's how you have built your business up to that point and continue after you have the studio. It's not build it and they will just come and show up. It's not Field of Dreams. You have to actually go out and make it happen, and that is definitely something that Sarah teaches you. I did struggle with telling clients my prices, and I'm not sure why exactly, but I just felt like I had a hard time telling them what it was going to cost. And because of the program with Sarah Petty, I was able to realize my own value and the value of my time and my talents and share that with my clients, and my ideal clients do value and appreciate that. And so it's no longer a block for me to be able to talk to clients about my prices. I do enjoy the life that I have created and am able to live with Pink Pineapple Photography because I am boutique. I am able to spend as much time as I want with my family while still being able to create an income from the business. Being able to work with her has been, I don't even know the word that I would use to describe it except just incredible. The things that she gives, how hard she works, her knowledge level and experience, what she is able to just lay out for you an entire plan for your business and a path forward. And if you do what she says, then you will see success. And she's just a force. That's what I'm looking for. She's a force. And she has this personality that just draws you in, and she's someone that you can trust. And that is something that she's just excellent at, and helps you feel comfortable and gives you that space you need to grow while pushing you out of your comfort zone.